Good evening. Hi, my name is Dalpreet Singh. Today I will talk about my presentation. The subject of naming manage business environment factor, and I choose my company is Genesis Energy. Genesis Energy is the biggest company in New Zealand. One of the largest energy company. It is founded 22 years ago. It's 1999, and Genesis all energy through renewable and thermal sources. Products such as like natural gas and electricity and LPG, liquid petroleum gas, and number of employees is working in Genesis Energy in almost 1200 employees in 2017. Nowadays is 1287, and number of customers is almost 500,000 customers, and the revenue of the Genesis Energy 82.6 million New Zealand dollar. Secondly, my slide is political, economic, and legal systems. Economical system. Economic consumption in New Zealand is almost 589 joules. Net profit contributed towards the economic system of Genesis Energy declined the 81.4% in the 2019 due to the lower energy generation in the hydro power plants, and as well as some of the COVID issues. The company generated a net profit of $9 million and comparison of 49 million New Zealand dollar in 2020. Impact of the organizational goals. The first goal is the Genesis Energy to generate low cost energy which can be provided at the lower price to the customer to all other companies, and focuses on promoting low carbon emissions. Third one is Genesis could not meet energy requirement of customers which affected organizational goals, and this cost is increasing energy cost by 90%. Impact of organizational process and business activity. Generate energy from the various sources like crop, oil, gas field, Huntley power stations. And operating globally helped in gaining new percent of energy generation. This helped focus business activity on wind farms in Taranaki. It's a radio in 2020 New Zealand. What is culture, social, or accident challenges? What are the challenges of facing the in Genesis Energy? It's an ethical challenge. Company attacked ethically in 2018, signed contract for using units available in Huntley Power Station. Firing employees may lead towards facing the risk of operating as sites, and this may lead towards less generation of energy, which is ethically not supported. Impact of organization goals. Promoting environmental low carbon emission, which is the goal of the company of Genesis Energy. The main goal is the promoting environmental low carbon emissions. And secondly, ratio of alternation of coal to gas for the purpose of energy generation was 63.27. Lack of manpower due to COVID, limited ability of the producing energy. Because COVID-19, there are a lot of company faces a lot of problems about that, because people didn't spend the money of company, and employees loses the job of this company. Strategies and management techniques. Solve these system issues. How we can solve these problems? Using different power schemes like Tongariro power schemes, increasing energy generation for increasing the probability, solving challenges, reducing the coal consumption for energy generation, recruiting more employees for solving problem for the reduced manpower. We can solve the problem by cultural partnership of this. This is a very important slide of my this presentation based on Treaty of Batangi agreement signed in 1850 between Maurice and British Crown. And principle of Treaty of Batangi, there are three principles of Batangi: protection, participation, and partnership. First one is the protection. Protection is the more Maurice values, norms, and also natural resources. Second one is participation. Participation is the equal opportunities for all Maurice in business. And third one is the partnership. Partnership is involving Maurice in business to align with Maurice needs and welfare. And programs for Maurice culture and welfare. Genesis has contract with Maurice for using their land with their rules and regulations. And secondly, celebrate, and Genesis companies also celebrate the Maori language weeks. And third one is including people from EV and Hapu in business policies and strategies. And at last, internship and training program for Maori people. Collaboration with Wangu, Hapu, and EV. Wangu, extended family represent several generations for Maoris. Second one is Hapu. Hapu is the grouping the Wangu with common ancestor, and a regular meeting with communities for discussing various aspects of business and internal and external compliances. My next one is effect of bicultural relationships. Better alignment with customers' needs and services, better service delivery and workforce diversity, increased consistency with diverse workforce, follow creativity in business, improve profitability with good decision making. Challenge related to creative बताएंगे. Problem issues, discrimination with Maori employees within the organization and lack of protection. This is very important one. And second one is hypothesis. Incorporating Maori value in business along with honoring Maori spiritually can assist in improving organization policies regarding discrimination with Maori employees. How we can solutions? Incorporating Maori values and culture changing organization policies. We can solution of this one. This is my references where I got my old data and
Any questions?
if you have any question then
नहीं क्वेश्चन पूछ लो
okay.